when a name like the Mercedes W126 resurfaces in 2025 discussions. It's not just nostalgia, it's a legacy poised for reinvention. The original W126, built between 1979 and 1991, was the longest-running and most successful S-Class generation in Mercedes-Benz history, defining luxury, safety, and understated prestige for over a decade. Though not officially resurrected as a direct W126 successor, in 2025, the term now often circulates among enthusiasts and custom builders, imagining what a modern reinterpretation would look like: a luxurious, rear-wheel drive executive sedan that honors its iconic silhouette, while being packed with futuristic performance and tech, speculatively reimagined as a modern tribute by tuning houses and render artists. The 2025 W126 concept would most likely ride on Mercedes-Benz's latest EVA platform. Used in their EQ series, if powered by an all-electric dual-motor setup, such a vehicle could deliver over 500 horsepower and 750 Newton-meters of torque, offering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration in under 4.5 seconds. A 100 kilowatt-hours battery pack would allow for an estimated range of 600 kilometers, with ultra-fast 350 kilowatts DC charging, restoring 80% charge in just 20 minutes. The concept would retain the W126's classic proportions: long bonnet, short rear deck, an iconic upright grille blended with digital LED lighting, autonomous driving capabilities, and a hype luxury cabin featuring sustainable materials and immersive AI integration. Compared to modern rivals like the BMW i7, Audi A8, A8 iTH, and Mercedes' own a 2025 W126 Tribute would likely stand apart with its fusion of heritage design and modern sustainability. While the EQS leans into futuristic form and tech, the W126 concept could offer a neoclassical alternative, connecting emotionally with those who revere Mercedes' golden years. Against the BMW i7, which pushes boundaries in cabin tech, the W126-inspired model could instead focus on timeless elegance and analog feeling, driving pleasure despite being electric. Historically, the original W126 was a masterclass in restraint and innovation. It introduced pioneering safety tech such as ABS and airbags, along with aerodynamic improvements and a refined ride unmatched at the time. It served everyone from diplomats to royalty, and became the benchmark by which other flagship sedans were judged. Its influence continues to shape Mercedes' design language even today. If Mercedes or an aftermarket visionary embraces this future classic concept, the 2025 W126 could redefine retro luxury in the EV era. It would serve not just as a design homage, but as a cultural bridge, reminding us that true luxury isn't about flash, but about timeless values executed with modern vision. The past, it seems, may yet drive the future.